Welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Welcome everybody back to the channel. I am going to be cooking some vegan pancakes. Welcome if you're new. To let you know, my name is Sabrina and I just post some really easy, budget-friendly, plant-based style cooking. And I'm new to the cooking, the vegan cooking, so if you're a beginner, welcome. Enough of this talking, let's get into this recipe. You're going to need about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, about 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I did about a dash of salt also, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I like to use raw cane sugar because one, it's yummy and it's better. Boom. Anywho, and then I also mixed up my dry ingredients before I mixed up my liquid ingredients. You're gonna need about 1 cup of non-dairy milk. I am using oat milk, and just to let you know, I do have a recipe on my channel on how to make your own oat milk. Then you're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm currently using either olive oil or avocado oil. Those are the 2 oils that I always use, but whatever cooking, vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever oil that you have will work just fine. And I also put about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract as well. Alright, now it's time to cook them on my grill. Hey, my grill, I know it looks kind of funky, but yay. But guess what? It does the job though. Okay, don't y'all hate on it. And yes, my pancakes look lopsided, but guess what? They taste delicious. Okay, so don't be looking. It may not be all purty, but guess what? It's good. So boom, bam, boom. So I'm just gonna plop them pancakes right on that pan, and then, you know, when they get nice and brown, flip them over, and voila, baby, put some butter on there, and now you got pancakes that were bomb. Super bomb. If you guys tried this recipe, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section. Tag me in your photos. We'll love to see it. I appreciate all the love you show on my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.